Hello, good morning, good afternoon, fellow crafters. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. We are talking this week in Storytime about, you guessed it, Thanksgiving and being thankful. We all do have quite a lot of things to be thankful for. So what we're going to make this week is this really cool things I'm thankful for tree. It's a thankful tree. So this is what mine looks like. And what you're gonna get when you come into the library or do curbside checkout, you will get this sheet with your tree. So you can color that however you like. And you'll get this little thing right here. It says My Thankful Tree that you can cut out and put at the bottom. And you will get 6 leaves that you can color, whatever colors you like. I went with traditional fall colors. But you know what? Since we don't really have traditional fall colors on our trees down here in Florida, you color them however you like. I bet you're surprised mine's not a rainbow. I'm kind of surprised too. So what you're gonna need for this craft, of course, are your crayons, and you guessed it also, your handy dandy scissors and your glue stick. So you'll color in all of your leaves and your tree. You'll cut your leaves out and then you can just attach them wherever you like. And what I've done is I've written on my leaves some things that I'm thankful for. So I bet you can think of a lot of good things that you are thankful for. And if you can't write just yet, I bet mom or dad or maybe an older sibling will help you write it down. I'm thankful for my family, for my pets, books, of course, my friends, joy, and love. There are lots of other things that we could write on there. Tons and tons of things. So I look forward to seeing some of yours, or at least for you telling me some of the things that you're thankful for. So I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday, and we'll see you soon. Bye.